Your hair deserves the best in luxury hair care. GK Hair's Opulence collection. This brilliant violet flame opal was inspired from the reflections of a precious opal. Depending on the lights, you can see many different reflections of color. Let us be your guide. Start by as we show you step-by-step color placement to transform violet flame opal. Products: Juvexin Cream Color, Juvexin Lightening Cream, Shield Additive Plus. Step 1. Pre-lightening with Juvexin Lightening Cream and 20 Volume Developer with Shield Additive Plus. Step 2. Base. Half Violet Mixed Tone and 9.21 and 8 Volume Developer and Shield Additive Plus. Step 3. Isolate a top triangle section on top and blend ends with 10.11 and 10 Volume Developer. Separate with foil. Step 4. 10.11 and a dot of violet mixed tone and 10 Volume Developer with Shield Additive Plus. Watch next video for learning new cutting technique.